Hey, do you have a pet?
Yes, I do.
What kind of pet do you have?
Can you guess?
Can I guess? Do you have a pet dog?
No, I don't have a pet dog.
You do not have a pet dog. And then, do you have a pet cat?
No, I don't have a pet cat.
You don't have a pet cat. Then do you have a pet fish?
No, I don't have a pet fish. You cannot guess? You want me to tell you?
No, I don't want you to tell me. Give me one more chance.
Okay, I give you one more chance.
Okay. So, do you have a pet monkey?
A monkey? Why would I have a pet monkey?
You don't have a pet monkey. Then what kind of pet do you have?
I have a pet iguana.
An iguana. That's unusual. Where did you get it?
From a pet shop.
What's your iguana's name?
My iguana's name is Winnie.
Weenie. What does Weenie do?
Winnie doesn't do very much. He is quite lazy.
What does Weenie eat?
Winnie is a vegetarian.
Weenie eats vegetables. That's quite interesting.